welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Let's go ahead and let's start with the first project. For my first project, I'm using these 1x4x8 boards that we got from Lowe's. They were $1.88 each. We got 5 of them because we made some shutters for the outdoor patio. And this is left over, and we cut them out to different sizes, and I set them up like this offset. And now I'm using these painter sticks that came from Lowe's as well to attach these boards together. And after that, I'm going to use these nails. I'm using Gorilla wood glue to attach these painter sticks. Now, I used 3 at the beginning, and then later I added some more. You will see that we thought it needed a little more support, but I didn't want anything thicker because I didn't want this piece to stick out too much off of the wall. After I put all the nails down, now it was time to paint. The first thing, I'm taking my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color and this brown acrylic paint, and I created this kind of a sand color. So I'm using the chippy brush from the Dollar Tree, and I am applying this sand color on the bottom. As you can see, I had a little trouble with this chippy brush. It was shedding. I usually don't have a problem with it, but this time I really did have a problem. Anyway, going back to painting, after I was done with this part, I took this aqua color and again my white chalk paint, and I created this beautiful, beautiful teal color. And that was the next layer that I applied. Next, I'm gonna take this coastal blue color. It is by Rust-Oleum, and it is chalk paint that I mixed with my white chalk paint and created this shade of blue. And that is going to be my next layer going up. I'm also taking whatever it's left on my brush of this color, and I am kind of dry brushing the ends of this piece, and also going over to the teal part and just dry brushing all over, making it just a little more in depth and have another dimension. After that, I'm taking this pure coastal blue color, and that is going to be my next layer going up. And again, doing the same thing, going down, just dry brushing it. Next, I took the middle blue color, and I added more white, and that creates this beautiful sky blue color that I'm putting on top. After that, I am taking pure white chalk paint, and I am dry brushing it all over the top to make it look like a clear sky. Okay, then I'm taking also that white, dry brushing all over all the blue ones, and then I'm taking a little more of the white one, a little heavier on a brush, and I am starting to put it on where the sand meets the water. So I'm creating kind of a waves. You know how when the waves hit the beach, it looks like it's foamy. So that's what I'm trying to create over here. And you can see my little daughter's hands and face over there. She was there the whole time I was painting. She wanted to help. Next, I'm taking a little sponge and I am taking my white paint, and I'm dabbing on the top part, creating clouds. It was super easy to make, as you can see, and I just had fun with it. The next thing I did was just going over again where I thought it needed a little more clouds. Again, if you're doing the same thing, just have fun with it. It was so relaxing and so easy. Okay, next thing, I'm taking one of the darker blues, and I am just shadowing. I'm literally going under the waves and adding a little more shadow wherever I think it needed a little more. Also on the sand, I took a darker brown straight from the tube, and I went ahead and did the shadowing again just to make it more realistic. After it was all done, I took my water-based polyacrylic and a sponge, and I went over my painting all over and let it dry completely. And that is what completes this project. This is the painting that is hanging on our back patio wall next to the shutters that we made, and it looks exactly how my husband and I envisioned it. I look at a lot of pictures of this online, and they go for so much money, up to $300, and you saw how easy and inexpensive it was for me to make. So I hope you guys like it. Today's video is part of the collaboration that I am doing with my dear friend Heidi Sonboul from Heidi Sonboul DIY channel, and she's doing this mini series called Summer Daily DIY all throughout the June and July, every single day from Monday through Friday, where she partners with smaller channels. So I am happy and blessed to be able to be a part of this. And if you don't know who Heidi is, which I am pretty sure you do, she is a great creator, amazing friend. She is so helpful, and I cannot thank her enough for allowing me to partner with her, and also just to call her my friend, because I adore her. So I'm gonna have her channel linked in the description box. You should definitely go ahead and check her out. You will not be disappointed. She's such a sweetheart and so talented. She also has another channel called Heidi Sonboul Home, where she features a lot of cleaning videos and haul videos and anything related to her home. So make sure to check that one out too. If you're new to my channel, if you're coming from Heidi's channel, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Jelena. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids, and I absolutely love doing DIYs. So if you're into that and if you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. For my second project, I got this form, wreath form from Dollar Tree. It was 9.8 inches wide, and I got this 98 cents white spray paint. I spray painted it all over, and after it was dry, I took the tape and I taped it on 4 places like so. And after that, I'm taking my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color, and I am painting 2 sections, so one on top and one opposite on the bottom. And next I'm taking my coastal blue color that I used in previous project, and I'm mixing it with the white, and I am going to paint the left portion of a wreath and the right portion of a wreath. And after everything was dried, I took off the tape, and then I didn't worry that blue and white color didn't meet, and you will see later why. So the next thing I am doing is I am taking this nautical rope, in the white one that came from the Dollar Tree, and I really like this one. I first measure around how much I am going to need, and I cut off where I think it needs to be cut off, and after that I am leaving that all around, and I'm taking the other part of the rope, or actually the other rope, the new rope, and I am wrapping it 3 times around, making sure the other rope was still inside, as you can see over here. And then after all 4 sides were glued, I'm using my hot glue and craft glue as well. This is how everything turned out. One thing I want to mention is that this rope, while so beautiful, it really sheds, so you will have to make sure to use a lot of glue and be careful. Next, I am taking this flexible stencil that I got from the Dollar Tree crafter section, and I am tracing with my pencil words. I am tracing welcome on the top, and then on the bottom, on board. After I traced everything that I wanted, I am taking that Rust-Oleum chalk paint that you saw earlier in a coastal blue color, and my paintbrush. I got this angled paintbrush from Walmart in a pack of 4, I believe, and I am just coloring these letters, or actually filling in the letters. Heidi is actually the one who loves to do a painting like this. She likes to fill in with a paintbrush, and I started doing the same, and I have to tell you, it is very soothing and I love to do it. Now, after all this was done, it is completely up to you if you would like to embellish your whole life-saving device with some kind of shells or anything else. For me, I wanted to leave it plain. I didn't want to add anything else. So this is how it turned out. I really think it turned out super cute, and it was so inexpensive to make. I think it cost me only $1.50. I believe actually $2 because I used the whole rope. But for $2, I think it's so perfect, and it really completes our back patio. I mentioned that in my previous videos that we're gonna reveal soon our back patio. It is a nautical, a coastal theme, and I cannot wait to show you all my DIYs in one place. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I want to thank Heidi for collaborating with me, and I want to thank all of you for watching this video. As always, if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Move you make, 'cause I love the way you make me move when I'm around you. I feel